Who's that? What's that noise I can hear, Mummy?
Someone's awake.
Wait, come here.
Good morning, little princess. Good morning. Hey, come here. Oh. Good morning.
I'll show you the orange.
Orange?
Yeah, I'll be bigger with orange.
Daddy made a pancake egg too.
I'll eat the pancake. I'll eat the pancake later. I'll eat the orange. I'll be bigger with orange.
I usually like eating a banana because I eat it quickly and then I finish it.
Hey, what do you think?
I'm so
You
bad.
can fit all of that in milk. Yeah, that's easy. Good luck.
Do you have a good sibling there?
There's something in it.
You can clean it up.
Was Aki's water bottle? It's a nice conversation, and I was going to keep going, but Mama was like, no answer.
Come on, good baby.
Mama went radio silent.
Good girl, Paling.
Mom, but I got so paper in it.
Some what?
Paper.
Paper.
I gotta get back and do my hair quickly. The dentist will say, hello Celine, can I please see your teeth? Show me your teeth. Show me your teeth. Please show me.
It's clean already.
Show me.
Clean.
Like I said, excuse me Celine, have you been eating Oreos for breakfast? And Celine will say, yes. And the dentist will say like this, no. That is not good.
The teeth are gonna fall
Your
out.
teeth will fall out. Hold on. But if you say to the dog, dentist ready? I'm the dentist ready. Hello Celine. Show me your teeth. Show me your teeth. Show me. Show me that. Show me that. Show me your teeth, please, Celine.
It's just fake.
Show me your teeth.
Bata.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna pull your teeth out. Unless you show me. Show me. Oh, have you been eating bacon and eggs for breakfast? Yeah. Good girl. Your teeth look really good. Because your teeth look really good, you could have an Oreo.
Dad, we ate the Oreo last night. Why do you want Oreo now if you already ate?
Look at Auntie. Hold on, Auntie. Show your teeth.
I want to eat.
Wow, you're a good. You look like you've been eating bacon and eggs for breakfast. Here you go.
I was eating.
You're gonna get a special treat, Auntie. Because Auntie's been good. Can Lini be good too? Can Lini be good? Kat Lola. Lola okay? Good guy, Auntie. I want to see Lini be good too. I love Auntie. Auntie.
Lola Karen.
Mummy.
Lola Karen. Here comes the.
Up in the airport. Yay! Lady! You better not get my dance on video.
You gotta,
Do it.
you gotta listen to Daddy because Daddy's gonna look different later.
I'll cut it out on me.
It's gonna be a different Daddy. Pika.
Mummy, we're gonna play. Good girl. Lady!
Mommy.
A few moments later.
I went to the post office after dropping Paris. Because yesterday, I went there and their internet wasn't working.
Yeah.
So I went back today to print this. And, Bob, when I went to pay, they said, nah, it's for free.
Why?
They just give it to me for free. They love me there.
Who?
Huh? The people there.
Post office.
Yeah. So they printed it for free. So are you sure? Okay. Lucky day. They always give it to me for free. Ian, guys. So we sold another bag sa Vestiaire Collective the other day. So I meant to post it yesterday, but hindi ko na print yung shipping label because the internet was not working. So I was talking to Daddy this morning, guys. I think from now on, because I've been selling like Vestiaire Collective is working for me, I need to purchase my own printer. Because I can't go back to the post office all the time and print every time I sell something. Because like, pumunta ako doon kaninang umaga, print ko to super early, right? Para dito. Hindi ko na maipakita sa inyo, guys, kung ano yung bag na naibenta ko because I already packed it yesterday. Nice. Ayan. But I'm going to put in the screen kung ano yung bag na nabenta ko. It's the Miu Miu large clutch, like crossbody, but you can use it as a clutch if you're, you know, malaking tao. And then, nung pagka-uwi ko, guys, I got a notification na I sold another item. It's jacket this time. Doesn't mean I have to go back to the post office and print it. So maybe later on today, we'll see. Punta kami ng Office Works to buy a printer.
Small water! Mom, don't you make it or somebody make it? Is that somebody make it?
No.
You make it?
Yes, Mama made it.
Oh. See? I just put it in my face.
Yeah, be careful. Honey?
This looks like a water. Mom, it looks like a firefighter.
Firefighter.
Water.
Yeah, you look like a firefighter.
Let's spray all the fires. Let's spray all the fires. Are we done?
We're done. Thank you for helping Mama. Look, you've done a great job. Thank you, Princess. So this one is all packed.
I come with you.
Of course you can come. I'm not gonna leave you, you silly bamba.
I'm not silly.
Oh, kiss na lang ngayon sa Mama. I love you so much.
I like the box.
You like the box?
Yes.
You've done really well. See? Very good packaging, the lid.
Mommy, I shrunk this one. See?
Yes.
I shrunk.
Very good, Papa. Very
I
strong.
shrunk, Mommy.
Just see last time, guys, nang pumunta kami ng Office
Mama,
Works, I
I'm
bought
very
this box.
strong.
Kasi just in
Mama,
case I
I'm
saw
very
something,
strong,
nagamit ko na
see?
talaga siya. Show tito your muscles. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, big muscles because he had egg and bacon this morning. That's why.
Mom, that's why I'm big.
That's why you're big, yeah.
Eileen, see, look. This one. Turn around. There, like that.
Good job, Balingling. Well, you won't be able to use that one soon, Daddy.
Yes, I will.
Bob, you're perming your hair, so you should be showing it off. Like,
Oh, but I'll have my curls hanging at the back and the side.
Bob, the back. You won't be able to see the back.
What are you talking about? Look at my hair.
So Daddy Mike, my appointment,
Go back
guys.
now.
That one there, I don't think. Are you
Daddy
doing
Mike.
everything or just the top?
Daddy,
Oh, as much as I can.
Daddy
Yeah?
Mike.
Daddy Mike, yeah. Where are you going today, Daddy?
Going to Milk Hair in Hamilton to get it done.
You see me, Daddy?
Daddy's getting his hair perm.
Haircut.
Yeah. No, it's getting
get my-
not haircut, Baba. It's a
Get my
perm.
curls.
Daddy has been wanting to do perm. Like Kahit nung nasa Melbourne pa kami.
Mom, what are you talking about?
But, yeah, he is pulling the trigger today. So we'll see how he looks
Mom, there's more.
this afternoon.
See?
And if it doesn't look good, bad luck.
Put in more.
Sure.
Oh, wow.
Mom,
Can you do?
put
Have to
in
get it
more,
straight
Mama.
again.
Mom, there's more for you.
Okay, Louis. Louis got his curls. You don't need perming, do you, Baba?
Lily is my inspiration.
He wants to go in the haircut.
Louis is getting his tomorrow.
Lily needs it.
Oopsie daisy.
Oopsie daisy, but careful with that one because
Doesn't
that's
it?
sharp, see?
Are you serious?
It's a cheese popcorn.
I like cheese.
We're in Hamilton now, guys. So it's 11:05. I think Daddy's hairdresser would be that
Mama, I
one.
like cheese popcorn.
Yes, I love it too.
Oh, there.
Ah, yeah, just there. So my time pa sa Daddy Mike. We are, yeah, we're going to get some drinks.
Coffee.
Coffee! Having a coffee? Good girl, baka lang. It's beautiful around here, guys. Tingnan nyo.
Mom, look at the hair.
Diba?
Look at the hair.
Where?
There.
There. What's in there?
Yeah, it's there.
It's clouds.
Yes, it is.
Clouds. Lovely car. This is a very nice suburb. Kaya lang sobrang mahal dito, guys. It's understandable naman. The area is beautiful. Look at that. Lovely. Lini. Yes, Mama. I love you, beautiful girl. Veranda on Race Course, Vietnamese cuisine. Yum, Daddy. We should try there one day, Daddy. Vietnamese. Yum. Gusto pumunta ni Daddy Mike dito sa... Oh yeah, this one. Ponzi Abot. What'd you say to Daddy?
Thank you.
Thank you. Come on, let's go. Come, baby. Milk. What'd you say, Baba?
I just miss Daddy so much.
You miss Daddy so much. He'll be finished soon, okay? And then he'll come home, and then you'll be surprised. His hair is going to be different. I know Lola is calling. What is going on?
May buntag.
Good morning. Good morning, vlog.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, vlog.
Anong balita sa radyo at TV?
Ay, sakay.
Ha?
Habang gudahon.
Oh my God!
Ano si... Ah,
Oh my God!
That's how.
Gi-check ninyo, ma? Gi-check ninyo, ayaw ninyo gi-receive, ma?
Par.
Parpar is na...
Sli, ayun.
Parpar, wala man dali. Nag-schoolas pa rin siyang.
Ang isa mo nag-anin ka?
Ha?
Laki yan. Nakatulong kong luha sa yan, Agi ba? Na yan gisulat there, Lola. I hope this package is to you simply. Love you.
Ah?
How?
Gi-check ninyo, ma? Mag-check ninyo, ayaw ninyo gi-receive.
I want to go in that.
Why, dapat man nagdinak
Soon.
ko man siguro kay papa man mo kuya ang nagtago.
Ah.
Nawala man sila sa dalan, hindi sila nakakuan laranido. Wala sila diri sa ato pikas nagagi.
Goodness, I'm very excited.
Lola kanit chocolate na ling.
I'm going in the house later.
Yes, we will, Baba. Mag-uingan si Celine ba? When can we go to that house?
I'm going in the house
kanya mo na.
Among yatod si Mark diri sa iyang hairdresser kaya nagpa-alot.
Aw lagi. Na akong gipukaw mimi, tungtungan. Mata na ko. Sakit na ko din mo kuya mo kaon siguro tukulit. Gikuha niya iyang bato sa ilaw nagulana.
Hala. Wa ako nagdama karon kay adto pa ba itong sa butang September 10 ni abot sa Cagayan. The car.
Sa karon 12 daro.
Oh, 12. Oh, ila na siguro gikuan diri ko.
Later.
Yes, we'll go there later, okay?
Mama, go there last night. Go there last night.
Okay, my love.
We go there last night.
Okay, baba. Hala, can't wait magkuan, mag-unbox. Ama, tawagi ko, Tro. Kano sa mo mag-unbox?
Let's go.
Kuha si kuya, gikuha pa niya yung asawa. Siya may nakakot kami sa naramido.
I'm very happy, guys, kasi oh my God, nakarating ng safe yung ating dalawang boxes.
Guys.
Nandito kami sa likuran kasi sabi ko sa mama ko, tawagan nila ako kapag nandun na silang lahat. Kasi nga, as mentioned, kapag dumarating yung boxes natin, guys, they all gather together. Tapos, nandun sila lahat ng family ko while they open the box. Hello! Hello, Kikin! Hello, Kikin! Hello, Kikin! Say hi to Mommy's vlog! Say hi to Mommy Tas vlog! Wee! Nawong sa bata. Hello, Dudong! Say hi lang. Kiking. Say hi, King. 6 ng hapon and I don't know if you can hear it, guys. It's raining. Heavy outside. Sobrang dilim na niya. Alas 4 pa lang. Na-pick up na natin ang ating Ate Paris. Nandito na siya sa bahay. And Daddy Mike, hindi pa siya nakauwi, guys, from his hairdresser. And, ewan ko na lang. Mababasa yun siya kasi umuulan. Oh well. Tapos namin ni Baby Celine doon pag-drop kay Daddy Mike. Pumunta kami ng Office Works. So, na-mention ko kanina na kailangan namin bumili ng printer. So, nakabili ako ng printer, guys. Nandun sa sasakyan. Hindi ko kasi mabit-bit kanina. So, bumili kami ng bagong printer. Yung ano lang, yung basic lang na printer. And then, bond paper para next time na makabenta tayo from Vistie Collective ay anuhin na natin. Dito na tayo mag-print. Hindi na natin kailangan pumunta ng post office pa. Here's my little princess with her flashlight. Oh, don't shine it on Tita and Tito. Just it'll hurt their eye.
No, I won't. I won't, Mama.
You will.
No, I won't. I won't, Mama.
Love you so much.
I won't.
Look, see, it's too bright.
Okay. Stop it.
Then, may nabenta tayong
Mom,
coach bag sa eBay.
too.
Yes.
Mom,
Ayan. But this one, hindi natin kailangang mag-print ng shipping label kasi ganito man yan siya. Tapos doon ko na ibabayaran sa post office. But hindi natin mapupost to today kasi umuulan, guys. Ayoko pumunta ng post office ngayon. Umuulan. That's fine. That can wait until tomorrow. But other than that, I'm super happy, guys. Hindi ako makapaniwalang dumating na yung box. Thank you so much, Lord, na dumating yung box na safety. Yun talaga yung hiniling ko, guys, na yung Balikbayan box natin ay mapapasa kamay ng family ko nang walang problema. Nakita nyo kanina, they were very happy. Nakita nyo yung tatay ko, pasayaw-sayaw pa siya. Yung mama ko, sobrang saya niya sa kanyang stickers. At yun yung nakakapagpasaya sa akin, guys, na alam kong na-appreciate nila kahit ano man yung pinapadala ko.
and haircut.
Haircut!
Haircut, eh?
Sarina and I will now luto. Tawag ano, guys, lugaw. Kasi perfect time for lugaw. See, it's raining outside. It's a bit cold. So, lugaw will definitely...
Mom, it's okay. I got the light away.
Anak na on the eye lagi lang because it's going to hurt the eyes lang.
You do something? It's okay. It's just a line. So if you say,
Nag-send sa akin ng video yung kapatid ko. Tingnan nyo ah. Ayan yung kuya ko. Bit-bit niya yung kanyang share. Isang box din sa kanya guys. Hati-hati ng kay mami.
Isang box si ate, oh. Allah!
Kasi 2 box yung pinadala. So, inano nila lahat yung laman. Tapos, hinati-hati nila kung sino, kung kanino, ganyan. Look, we're having our snacks. What are we having, ate? Hello?
lugang.
Lugang. Lugaw. Lugaw.
Lugaw.
Yeah. See?
I love lugaw.
Yeah. Look at this. See, we have bulad as well, guys. Tuyo. Next to the lugaw, and it tastes so good. Look at Daddy's face. Hang on, Louis. Look.
Sling this first. 3, 2, 1, look.
Look.
Right, can we look now?
Look now.
And he get
Louis. What do you think, Paris? Louis wants to have a look too.
Is that Daddy?
Look at Daddy.
My kids look.
You look like Bruno Mars. Look. Look at Daddy. Ay, Louis. What do you think, Louis?
I like Daddy's hair.
Do you?
Yeah.
Okay, how about you, Ate?
God.
Yeah?
Daddy. Daddy.
Yeah,
Can here.
I'm coming home now.
Where are you?
Still in the same place.
Oh.
Where's your hat? Oh. Well, see you soon, Daddy.
See you soon, Daddy. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
See you soon. Hello. My name is Carson. This is Sleep. So we're gonna show you one of our tricks that we like doing around places.
Careful, anak ha. Naagi mabukulan lang.
Do it again. So we're gonna do it again. It's just nice.
Move here lang, be.
So that's the side, and see if that will be a little better. See that? I'm sorry, it's gonna be a little bit. Do it again. Stop it. Okay. Stop that again. It was just my friend. What? She hold it really tight.